Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix disconnected from server in Among Us. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you receive this kind of a disconnected from server error in Among Us, then here are some troubleshooting techniques that you can perform to solve your issue. The first thing to do is to restart your Among Us game. Simply close off your Among Us game from running in the background and open it back again. Once you restart your Among Us game, you can now simply go ahead and connect to a server and start playing the game. If that doesn't help, the next thing to do is to update your Among Us game. Open up your App Store or your Play Store and search for Among Us into the search box. If you see an update button popping up right next to the Among Us game, then simply try tapping on the update button to get the latest version of Among Us. Once you are done updating the app, you might be able to solve the issue. Go ahead and open up your Among Us application again and try connecting to a different server and see if that fixes the issue. If that still doesn't help, then simply go ahead and delete your Among Us application. Press hold to the app and in the pop-up tap on remove app. From the options, tap on delete app and then tap on delete again. Once you delete your Among Us application, go ahead and open up your App Store again and try downloading the app, and you might be able to fix the issue. If nothing else works out, simply try updating your iOS device to the latest version, which might be able to fix your issue right away. Those were some of the fixes you could try out if you're going through the disconnected from server issue on Among Us. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.